welcome back to my channel. Today I have some cooking and some cleaning to share with you, and yeah, let's get into it. Hi guys. Okay, so it's been a while for me, so I just wanted to make a crock pot dish, and I think I show some dinner as well, some of our dinner. I'm cutting up the potatoes, cutting up the onion, cutting up the celery as well. Okay, and then I put the meat in. I put a little bit of water in, the roast beef, and then some water, and then the onion and the potato and the celery. And then what I'm going to do is put some spices in, some pepper, some Cajun. I put some hemp hearts in for a little bit of extra health. Wow, it's looking so good. Yummy. And yeah, I put it on high. And then I put a little bit of mustard on for some extra flavor. I cooked it for I think around 5 hours, and then now I cut up the meat. I'm making some beans to go with our dinner, some rice, and my husband's gonna make some plantain. So when the plantain is a little bit dark in color, it's more sweet. So what he's making here is patacon. Okay, putting in the grapeseed oil into the pot, turning it on high heat, and letting the plantain simmer. Wow, are they ever looking so good? Okay, so we're gonna grab the plantain leaves and we're gonna squish them, and they turn into patacon. And now they are looking so delicious, and they are delicious. We take a cloth, we put them down, and we put the patacon on it. Obviously there's a lot of oil, so we pat it down so it's not too oily, and then we put on some salt, and it's so tasty. You really have to try it. And this is the finished our dinner. We have our beans, our pork, our rice, and patacon, plantain. And this particular day, it was so beautiful out, so we decided to enjoy it outside with the whole fam and have dinner. Yeah, it was a very beautiful day, so we had to. Okay, so now it's our nighttime routine cleanup, and everybody joins in to help me and my husband clean. Oh, there's Nader and JJ. Nader's such a good big brother. Like, our kids are really great in general, but our older kids are just so helpful and so kind, and yeah, it really helps to have that. So we're very blessed. Oh, the finishing product is coming. Okay, and that's all for this video, and I hope that you guys enjoyed it. And yeah, it's almost Christmas time, so that's exciting. I'm excited for Christmas, and my family is very excited. We also have like all of our birthdays, my daughter's birthday, then my son's birthday, my oldest son, and then my birthday, and then yeah, and then Christmas. So okay, so that's the end of this video today. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you in my next one.